Platinum hair loading.
What do you guys think so far?
Oh, look at us both blonde.
She tried to steal my swag, you know.
I've been doing highlights
You guys
before.
You guys are both stealing Kayvon's swag, just so you
Oh,
both know.
where do you think Kayvon's hair color came from? The sky? Hey guys, welcome back. As you guys can tell by this title, we're gonna be doing our hair today. That is why my hair is just back in this like messy bun. My hair has been just not my fave lately. It definitely needs like a treatment. It needs a touch up. And Mel and I are gonna be getting our hair done later today. And I'm just gonna basically go a little bit lighter. I get so many questions on my hair, you guys. You guys are always like, Naz, what do I ask my stylist? What do you ask your stylist? And you guys always have all these questions for me. And honestly, I'm not a hair expert. I can't tell you like, tell your stylist to do this, that, and the third, biolage, use this color. I honestly know nothing about hair. All I do really is I just show my hairstylist pictures of what I want. So I show her what I want and then she basically does her thing. We've been working together for so long now. I feel like she just knows what I want at this point. So I don't really have to tell her exactly what I want and she just kind of does her thing, which is why I'm really happy that I'm gonna be recording my hair appointment later on today. So maybe you guys can show your stylist the video or show them how she places my highlights so you guys can also recreate that look on your hair as well. And then Mel actually wants to go a little bit lighter with his hair too. That is today's video. But before we get into that, I am starving. I'm about to cook us up some HelloFresh and I just wanna give a huge shout out to HelloFresh for partnering with me for today's video. But before I start cooking, I got a funny story for y'all. Y'all see these little stains on my sweatshirt? Literally, I went to go wash my hands because obviously I'm gonna be cooking and my soap dispenser just exploded. It literally just exploded. It got on my shirt, it got on my head, it got in my eye. Luckily my eye wasn't open. I don't know how I magically like closed my eye before it really got in there, but it was basically like on my eyelid. So even when I was trying to wipe it off, I got a little bit in my eye so it didn't burn that bad, but oh my god, if my eye was like wide open and all that soap went in there, it would have hurt so bad. So I'm just like, thank goodness my eye was closed. So on today's menu, I'm gonna be making the Yucatan citrus chicken bowls. These look so good, you guys. You guys know I'm all about chicken and rice. That's basically like my go-to meal. And it also has like this pickled onion on it. It just looks amazing. And I'm gonna be cooking this up for everybody in the family. So we have been using HelloFresh for such a long time now. And if you guys aren't familiar with HelloFresh, it is a meal kit delivery service. So basically you guys get these amazing recipes delivered right to your door. And guys, the food is so good. It's literally like restaurant quality food sent right to your door. And the meals are so simple and so easy to make. So what I love about HelloFresh is that everything comes to you pre-measured out. So you're not just buying big bottles of sauces or seasonings or anything like that and just using a little bit and then letting that thing go to waste. So it really is nice if you're someone who tends to waste food. I feel like Mel and I, especially when it was just us two, now that we have like the whole family in the house right now, we haven't really had this problem, but I feel like we would just overbuy and then food would go bad and then I would just feel so guilty that I let, you know, this food go bad. Another amazing thing about HelloFresh is that it takes out all the stress that comes with meal planning. I know how difficult it can be to come up with new recipes or plan your meals for the week. So just having that just done for you and you don't have to run to the grocery store, you save so much time and so much stress. Another amazing thing about HelloFresh is that they're super flexible. So if you guys are going out of town or you guys need to skip a week, you can easily do so. And you can constantly change your meal preferences. So let's say you guys want to do low carb one week or you guys want to try vegetarian meals one week. You can easily change that on the website. Another thing about HelloFresh that I really admire as a company is that they're all about giving back. Just in 2020 alone, they donated over 4 million meals and they're projecting to donate even more this year. So if you guys want to try out HelloFresh for yourselves, you guys already know I got the hookup. You guys can go to HelloFresh.com and use my code Kavari12 to get 12 free meals plus free shipping. So I'll have the link for you guys down below. And again, we have never tried a meal from HelloFresh that we didn't like. So you guys should definitely check it out and check out the link down below. And enough with me talking and let's get started on cooking. Here is the finished result. We got the rice, the chicken and the peppers, the pickled onions. It's so good, you guys. I already had a few bites. Mel made his into a little bowl.
You know me how much I love HelloFresh.
Yes, Mama love HelloFresh.
Yeah.
Baba, what's my coupon code for them to use?
Kavari 12.
Yes. Baba said there's not enough onion. He got a whole raw onion to eat.
Yeah. Onion is good for corona. Wani, wani. اوكي. عزيز الدلة خديش. عم خد he's hungry man.
Up. You want up.
Bia, Bia, Bia.
Jane. What do you mean?
Hi, handsome. Handsome.
Hey.
Kayvon, come here.
عينك يا ابويا عينك براش بخاري.
Kayvon, come here. Come here. Hi, Kayvon.
حيواني حيواني. خوب نمیشکنه چون میدونه که اینا چیزه.
Hey guys, welcome back. Look at your little hair. So as you guys can see, we have Sylvia here today, and she is not just doing, she's not only doing my hair today, but she is doing Mel's hair today. So Mel did his
I'm gonna
blonde.
change it up a little bit.
Mel has, his blonde is definitely grown out, so he's a little touch
But I
up.
like the grow out look as well, like with the black under.
Yeah,
I
the
do.
tips.
I actually was thinking if I should keep you with like a root.
Mel wants to go platinum today. And then I just want a few more highlights. So I was like, you know what, you might as well just get us in both at the same time. I swear, some lighting my hair looks like it has more highlights and sometimes it doesn't. Like right now on camera, do you see how it looks?
Today I thought you like looked so blonde.
I do. Should we add more highlights?
Of course.
Okay, yeah. Just a little bit more. I want my hair to look a little bit lighter.
Yes, definitely.
Little bit. But okay, you didn't compliment my hairstyle. I did this myself.
I think you're amazing. I think
That's
you're so
good.
good at your hair.
Because
You've
Sylvia,
come such a long way
I have.
since I've met you.
Sylvia was in Costa Rica for like a week, so I was like forced to do my own hair. So I was like,
You did great.
I was waiting for my compliments. Thank you.
Gosh, words of affirmation.
Sylvia was so sweet. She brought us some coffee, so appreciate you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Should we tell them?
Oh yeah, I put guys.
then-
Whenever Sylvia comes
Guys.
over, I literally have a bag of PR for her, just like ready to go.
I don't know
things
what
I think
this
she'll
guy
like.
is, you guys, but honestly,
I
like
put her on.
amazing.
These Alani new protein bars, you guys. I gave her the
Wow.
strawberry shortcake one. This
Wow.
is the munchies flavor. Oh my god,
Isn't it like it's
obsessed.
just so pretty with my nails? And
I know
stuff?
the packaging. They did a great job.
Amazing, amazing, honestly.
Is that my baby? Did he just wake up? Did you just wake up? Why does he have tears in his eyes?
What happened, Bubbles? Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Oi, baby. Oi, baby.
Good morning, Kavari. Hi, Bubbles.
You're so delicious. Did you sleep good? Platinum hair loading.
What do you guys think so
Oh,
far?
look at us both blonde.
She tried to steal my swag, you know.
I've been doing highlights
You guys
before.
You guys are both stealing Kayvon's swag, just so you.
Oh,
both know.
where do you think Kayvon's hair color came from? The sky? Thank you
That's
very
true,
much.
That's true. That's
Thank
true.
you very
Wow.
much.
Your point. She didn't know. Where did that color come from? We all want to know.
From me.
A lot of kids in my family have that blonde hair when we're young. It'll get darker when it gets older, unfortunately. Guys, literally Sylvia just like stands up here and I'm like, girl, you're
Guys,
gonna
I'm
fall.
literally in like a ninja position
I know, and I'm
with
like-
my socks.
And I was like, you should have at least taken off your socks. Damn.
Hi,
Look who
mommy.
came to visit us. Here, you can come in the video.
Yeah. Hi, hello. Mommy. Hey, hey.
Hey.
Mwah, mwah.
I love you.
They're
They're taking Kayvon on an adventure.
Bye.
See you later.
Say
Bye,
bye.
guys.
Bye now.
Bye.
They're stealing my
Bye.
son. Okay, guys, we got our hair, the finished look. We
Just
got-
went a little bit lighter. It's not really anything too crazy.
Me too. So my highlights, we literally just added them to the top of my head, not at the bottom. So here's my hair color. And then we have the OG blondie. Can I show him his curls? Look, look, look. Look at
The
our
original
OG.
blonde curly hair boy.
The original. Oh, he's so dirty. Guys, Vaughn is so sleepy right now. He's so sleepy.
I had to copy my boy's swag. You know.
Family hug. Family hug. Oh, he's so sleepy. Okay, we're sorry. We look good with our light hair, babe. I think this is like our thing. Don't you think?
Next time I dye it, I want to put some color in.
Mel was thinking, guys, comment down below what color you think Mel should do. Sylvia today was saying to do pink. So like a bright pink or light pink?
This
Yeah.
kind of like this, but maybe a little brighter than this.
Tay-Tay.
Like a pastel pink.
That'd be pretty for spring.
The only thing about me and colors is that I feel like I'll have to coordinate my outfits to
Yeah.
match the pink all the time. And knowing me, I'm gonna make that a lot more stressful than it
But
needs
you
to
wear
be.
hats all the time, babe. So if you don't want to coordinate to the pink hair, you can just throw on a hat.
Yeah.
I never thought that I would be sharing a hairstylist with my hubby. Look what his shirt says today. Mommy's tough guy. He wants to explore. Go explore, buddy. Go explore.